Has a Toyota Tundra let me down? Focus, Mike. Focus, Mike. Yes. This is a stinky car. I'll tell you this. Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. I'm having a really good day today. I am at Copart with my big gulp from QT, and they have so many new cars and trucks for us to check out. We're looking for something to add to my channel. Maybe you're looking for something to add to your garage. So let's just kind of hop in and see what they got. Well, I have to admit, I have never liked these. This is a humongous old school Yukon XL, so you get the longer back, but I've come to love them. Why? Well, I had that Cadillac Escalade with 500,000 miles, and the thing ran and drove, even though only 2 of the brake rotors actually worked, the brake calipers rather. Yeah, this one looks like it's in good condition. The lost type is normal wear. So what I like about this is the tires. Look at that. They have matching tires. There's really no damage other than right there, okay? Normal wear and tear is what I'm seeing all over the place. It's in a nice white color. It's not beautiful, but it's very functional, okay? These are Goodyear tires. I think, are these Goodyears over here too? Yes. Okay, so we have 4 Goodyear tires with tread. They don't look to be, well, hello, gorgeous. Maybe I should stop worrying about you and focus on you. The Tundra. Oh, this is nice too. Look at this. That's exactly what I want. Okay, back. Focus. Focus, Mike. Focus, Mike. Yes, here we go. We're going to focus on the Yukon because it's going to be way cheaper than the Tundra. And I need something just to tow with and throw stuff in the back. Okay? This is horrible. This thing has not weathered very well at all. But, man, it is so dusty out here. It is really dusty out here. Look at the insides. Okay? Yeah. The seating, the seats, other than the front, this is in great condition. This looks like it was well cared for. There is some gook on the top there. But look how much room you get back here. Uh-oh. Something's about to harvest. Something is about to be born right there. Ugh. Okay. Let's take a look at the front. See, here's your wear and tear, but this is it. And these covers are so inexpensive, and you're going to find them even on Amazon, okay? eBay, Amazon, wherever you want to find them. And I've done them already, so I've replaced these on the Cadillac. But this is just as nice. Let's see if she wants to get back on the road. Here we go. We had a very dramatic pause. That was very dramatic, overly dramatic. Okay, the driver's door is ajar. We have a sticker here showing the oil was changed, at 21 at 176,000 miles. What do we have now? 177. So in 3 years it's gone. Wow. Okay, well, it hasn't been driven very much. That would explain the condition. Excuse me. Let's see how our air conditioning is doing. Whoa. That is blowing so hard. I don't think we have. Come on, air conditioner. Come on, baby girl. This looks good. Okay, the seat moves. This does not work. Oh, here we go. Oh, she tried. There it is. You just gotta let things warm up a little bit. This hasn't warmed up enough. See, it takes a moment. What about you? Do you want to work? There it is. You can press the button and count to 2 or 3, and then they decide to work. Okay. I kind of like this. You know it's going to haul whatever you need it to haul. Let's just kind of see what happens here. Yeah, there's reverse. Ooh, There's something sticky on here. There's drive. Okay, same exact steering wheel. You get an extender for your seatbelt. So this was a rather large person who drove this, or sat over there, one of the two. I'm not judging at all. We have a very humongous glove box right there. Okay, let's see what the engine sounds like. Okay, here's your Vortec engine. She sounds pretty good. Like I said, she was a little slow to start because she hadn't been started in a while, I guess. We do have some oil in a plastic bag right there, so that's good to know. We do have some coolant. Brake fluid looks pretty black to me, or blue. But this is nice. I don't know if this is the 5.3 or what did I have, the 6 liter? I don't know. But it's running really well. There's a little bitty knock, but it's not very loud at all. Oh my goodness. So what would this do on the channel? Well, here we go. There's a little dent right there. No biggie. Look at all the room you get in the back. You fold the seat down, or you get rid of the seat, and this is huge back here. You even have carpets. Wow. Okay, and you have air conditioning for the back. This is nice. And you even have this part right here, which always disappears on the Cadillac, that third brake light. Yeah. This is wonderful. I don't even know what year this is. Let's take a look. This is 2003. Yeah, GMC Yukon, normal wear and tear. I love it. Let me know what you guys think about this, and if you think it would be something I could use to haul. I love the step right here too. Very solid. And once again, the engine sounds good. I have no error messages. I got the brake on. Wonder why they have the brake on. Let's just see. There we go. Now there's no messages at all. She goes in reverse once again. She goes in drive. This is a find. This is a true discovery. Holy, not even a crack on the windshield. You have this fancy part right here on your rear view mirror. You've got a sunroof. Yep, I like it. I'm gonna mark this one down. Or should we go with option B? Yeah, this is what I've told myself I really, really want. An older Toyota Tundra, 5.7 liter, yeah. iForce V8. This is from 2010. It's in all the right colors. I don't think, what's the damage? It's the Platinum Edition. It doesn't have listed any reason for why it's here. Okay, we have Bridgestone tires on this baby. Look at that, no damage, no damage. Little bit of damage because it's a work truck after all. This isn't bad at all. You got a cover for your bed. You got a liner for your bed. You get the Flex Fuel 4x4. Some scratching, I don't care about that. There are some dings. These are Bridgestones with a ton of tread. Oh my goodness. I'd spoil myself with this. Yes, I would. Oh, here we go. Okay. Some little connectors. Look how nice this is. This is huge. Look how big the door itself is right there. Yep, absolutely. This is what I need. This is what I want. This is perfect. I'll be starting a GoFundMe to fund the purchase of my new Tundra. Just kidding. Wow. Okay. I like this. The black and the gray owner's manual right in here. I love the shift knob. I love the great big knobs on the dash right there. This is cool. Let's see if there's power and see what she sounds like. We've got the power. Here, someone left the key on. Thank you guys. I love it when you do that. Here we go. Oh, she wanted to start. Uh-oh. I'm looking underneath the sticker here and it says lost type unknown. She does not want to start. One more time and then we're going to give up because I don't want to hurt anything. She doesn't sound good. This could be a compression thing right here. I'm sorry you're staring at the steering wheel. How about that? You want to look at that? Yeah. She does not want to start at all. Ooh. Has a Toyota Tundra led me down? There's gas. This is a first. I love this. I just think this is cool. You got a nice screen right here, your auxiliary. It's just big and chunky and I like it. Your four-wheel drive, I like this. The steering wheel, typical Toyota steering wheel. I had higher hopes for you. I really did. So I'm sorry. I'm sorry. We got to move on. We're going to leave you here for somebody else. Finally, in this video, I'm calling Choose My Next Tow Rig. How about a Toyota Sequoia? I've wanted one of these. I have. This one is from 2007. We're missing the handle, so I had to jump in and kind of push this open from the inside. There's a quick peek at the inside so far. These things are bulletproof. I've had so many people tell me they had one of these and they loved it. It's big. It's a Toyota. This has lots of paint issues. You got a tow hitch back there. Once again, the iForce V8. Hopefully this one starts. Oh, well, this could be a sign of what's to come. I hope not. This is your rear glass right there. So, yeah, she's had a little work done to her. So we need to get that replaced. It's not major. Your fender, or your bumper rather, is a little beat up. That's why they have this covered to protect it. This handle's good. This one is a little bit loose, as you can see right here. Tires are bald. This is a general tire right here. Your clear coat is gone right here, but I've always wanted to try that clear stuff on TikTok that covers up the problems. This is the general tire. It's got a little bit more tread on it. The problems with your clear coat, because everything on TikTok is real, right? This is a stinky car. I'll tell you this, because we have, what is this, a Swisher Sweet? We have all kinds of junk in there. Sunflower seeds. We do have power, I believe. Yeah, we do. Here we go. Let's see what's going to happen. That's how you run and drive, Mr. Toyota Tundra. Take a lesson from your sister over here. Whoa. We've got an aftermarket head unit here. We have a cold air conditioner. Wow. I love that. We're going to hang out in here for a little bit. The seats are horrible, and they are leaning way back. Way back. And this one is too. In fact, this is where my head is right there. Yeah. So I was talking to one of my friends and I asked them, I said, why do, and he's African American, I said, why do, black guys always recline their seats like this? And he said, do you want the honest answer? I said, yeah. I said, in case there's a drive-by. I'm serious. He said, if someone starts shooting up your vehicle, this B-pillar right here is going to protect your head. So that's why the vehicles I get in that I think were, African-American owned, they do this. It's a thing, and this is my head right there. So I'm protected. I don't know if I could drive like this. This is my line of sight. But that's what he truthfully said. And it makes sense. That's crazy. Okay, let's see if I can, I'm going to use my, here, now we're bringing the seat back up. Okay, that's it. Okay, and she goes into drive. She goes into reverse. Just fine. That's a suspension that probably had moved for a while. She needs a cleaning like you can't even imagine. She is so gross and dirty up here. This says 149,000 miles. We have 165,000. right here, but she runs like a top. You didn't get a lot of options. The original owner did not order a lot of options here for her. That's okay. I will need to get a top if I buy this thing. I will need to get a top for the cubby. Let's see what she's like under the hood. There it is. Look at that. Steady as a rock. Steady as can be right there. Okay, you got a super cheap battery from 12 of 23, so that's relatively, you know, that's 9 months old. Your brake fluid looks really, really black. Well, this is your power steering fluid. Brake fluid is over here. Your coolant, there is some. There's just not a whole bunch in here. But look how steady. She's silent. Oh, man. Oh, well, here we go. Here's another problem. The windshield is cracked. I didn't notice that. I couldn't look past the clear coat to see the windshield. What's the towing capacity of a Toyota Sequoia? I would think it would be relatively high. Clean up the headlights. Take her to Mako. They charge you for a big car because it would take a lot of paint to cover this up, but this would be a good looking vehicle. Get some tires on her. Cha-ching, cha-ching. Well, now I can't get in. We got to go on the other side again. Yeah, paint it. Windshield. Door handle, maybe 2 door handles. And you'd be good to go. Let's see what it's like on this side of the car. Loving this. Give me some more AC. Let's see what's going on with the radio as I enjoy some air conditioning. I don't want Bluetooth. How do you do this? Radio. FM. Of you, you're my everything. Yeah, there we go. I don't know if that song is real or if it's a joke, but I hear it everywhere. I like it. Okay, so in the comments, let me know what you think about the Toyota Sequoia. I like it so much in here, I've been hanging out for like 2 or 3 minutes, just enjoying the air conditioning and the shade, which is fine. So, which of the 3? Really, which of the 2? Because the Tundra wouldn't even try to start. I think it's a compression issue, which I haven't heard problems with that engine. I know adding a starter to the engine is a big deal, but I haven't heard about like a head gasket issue or anything like that. So let me know if you've had the Toyota Tundra with the 5.7 liter. Let me know what the problems are with it, because I really wanted one of those. But this Sequoia is nice, and the Yukon might even. Which is going to be cheaper, do you think, the Sequoia or the Yukon? I don't know. So let me know. I'm just taking it all in right now. This is dirty, but you know, these are cloth seats. They're fabric seats. They're going to clean up. I have a steam cleaner. The carpet will clean up too. See, look how gross it is. That's all going to clean up. There's no cracks on the dash. This will clean up. A new paint, and you're good. It's going to be gorgeous. Or the GMC Yukon. I don't know. Be sure to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, everybody. We're back with another video very, very soon. Until then, have a great day. Bye.